How to add images to your GitHub repository README file. So first, if you have a repository already and you have created a README file, for example, my README file contains only this test text. Now you want to upload an image by clicking on Add File and then click on Upload Files. And then from here you can either drag and drop your image file, or you can basically browse to it and you can upload any file you want. So for example, I'm going to upload this. Once it finishes uploading, you want to click on Commit Changes. And once you commit changes, you should find your file here. Then you want to click on your file to open it up, and then copy the link right here. Now you want to go back to your repository and then just edit the README file by clicking on the pen to edit it. Now you want to type the following text, exclamation mark, and then open brackets like this. And then you can type image or whatever you want inside there, and then open two parentheses, and between them paste the image link, and then click on commit and then commit changes. Now when you go to your repository, you should see the README file and the image being displayed wherever you want it to be. And you can do this as well with the GitHub command line or any GitHub client that allows you to basically commit changes locally and push them to the repo. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.